Hey, what is going on YouTube? Alright, today we are going to be putting in a new ignition coil in the Subaru. We got 4 of them. I have to do this because a clip right here had broken off of it and it's been misfiring. It's been loose. So let's just get in there right away and we'll put 4 of these in. It's going to be real easy, single bolt 12 mil. So yeah, let's get to it. So there we go. We can see the 2 right now that we need, and actually you can, if I hold this here, you can see I do have it zip tied right now up on top to hold that cable on. So this is why we are replacing these today. So yeah, like I said, it's a single 12 mil to pull that off. Should be pretty easy. So I'm gonna set up this camera here and we'll crank her off. Alright, so we got that one off. Like I said, it was zip tied here to hold that on. So I'm gonna just pull that off and you can kind of see it just popped right off. So was not a great connection there. Again, that clip broke off right there. So plus the new one's clean. Look at that. So we're not doing anything with spark plugs. This is all we're doing here. So this should clip on. You should hear it. Guess you'll just have to take my word for it. It did clip. So let's put that back on. Okay, we got the battery out. That's going to be a tremendous help, so we can see the 2 there. Let's go ahead and we're going to, same thing on those, rip them out. Whew, all right, got the battery in, got them all replaced. Look at that, pollen everywhere. It's only been out here for like 2 minutes. All right, maybe it was like 20 minutes, but so happy that I'm not allergic to pollen. All right, well, let's start her up. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, moment of truth. Got power, always good. Start it up. Sounds like they're all running. Nothing crazy happening on the cob. All 4 are running. Cool. I'm gonna let this run. You can see my wires sticking out right there. I gotta go put that back on, so I'm gonna do that while this thing is running here, let it warm up, and then maybe we'll go take a little rip quick just to see if they're actually working on full boost. Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna put this down here until we take a rip here quick. Okay, let's see if second gear pull is okay. Yeah, that felt okay. Good. Didn't feel the misfire, that's what I was before, but my intake temp is a little high. Need to get that. That's actually going to be my next video here, is putting on a turbo blanket and then also a some exhaust wrap. So we'll try that. There you have her, folks. We got the new ignition coils in place, so that was great. It seems to be running much better. I'm not noticing any misfires. We had a little bit of knock on one of those pulls, but it doesn't seem too out of the ordinary, I'd say. I think it's reading -4, so keeping an eye on it. Nothing that I'm going to actually do anything with right now, but yeah, awesome guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to put another video out there of the turbo blanket and the exhaust wrap, so stick around for that. Try to control some of those intake temperature controls, but until then, see ya.